Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate GanttPRO with Microsoft account, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate GanttPRO with your Microsoft account, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the GanttPRO website. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the home page. You will see several sign in options. Select the option to sign in with a Microsoft account. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter your Microsoft account email. Type in your email address and click Next. Next, enter your Microsoft account password. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once authenticated, you will be redirected back to GanttPRO. You will see a message confirming that you are logged in successfully. Your GanttPRO account is now linked to your Microsoft account. You can start utilizing GanttPRO's features seamlessly. If you encounter any issues during the authentication process, check your internet connection. You may also want to ensure that you have the correct email and password for your Microsoft account. If problems persist, visit the help section on GanttPRO for further assistance. Your connection is now established and you are ready to manage your projects effectively. Remember to log out if you are using a public or shared computer. Enjoy navigating through GanttPRO using your Microsoft account for added convenience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.